Hi viewers, today we have project Hikvision 8 megapixel IP camera. So we will show you whole process how to install configuration and termination. Let's see, we start the project. So now I will show you how to install the hard disk. It's a 4 TB hard disk. You can see our technician, he started to install there is a one cable we have. It's called data cable. One is a power supply. Here is the power supply for the receiver, and we have mouse to use the receiver. So here you can see we have internet connector, and then BGA, and also we have the alarming system. Here we start configuration with the IP address. So we have to get the first of all IP from the network, from the router. Then we will put them in the systems to get the IP camera one by one. We will show now. You can see our IP camera already started live. So here you can see that we are almost done. So guys, this is the video you can see. So we will see you with next project. Have a nice day. Bye, and thanks for today.